So today I'm going to talk about second opinions because we get a lot of patients coming in that had been seen by a dentist before and they just didn't like, or maybe they didn't trust what that dentist had to say. Well, this is a case of what we see a lot of, and it was a patient who came in. She had lots of bone loss around her teeth, and her general dentist told her she was going to lose a lot of teeth, including some of the front teeth right here. And well, you don't want to lose those unless you absolutely have to, because that's a nightmare to replace. So we were able to actually treat this patient. We did some Lanap to disinfect. We were able to rebuild bone. We were able to get rid of all of the tartar buildup around these teeth. And, well, we were able to actually save these teeth here. So instead of getting all or most of these teeth extracted, we were able to actually save a vast majority of those teeth, only taking out the teeth that were absolutely hopeless. And, well, this patient was able to save their smile, and that's really important to them. So if it's been a while since you've been to the dentist, or maybe you didn't like what your dentist had to say, well, there's always a second opinion, and we're definitely here for you. So give us a call and we can get you in and we can take care of you. Thank you very much.